All right, I'm giving you a 2-ingredient snack that takes about 10 seconds to put together, plus a tip that is going to add 7.5 years to your life. I'm serious, 7.5 years. Let's go. All right, first ingredient, a good old egg. Yes, I know they're getting more expensive, but they're still about 50 cents each. It's a really good snack, has about 6, 7 grams of protein. What I like to do is make a dozen or so and then refrigerate them, and then I have them all week. But if you can't, if you're in a pinch, a lot of supermarkets have them prepackaged. So this one has cage-free. There are range-free. Get the best quality you can. So the first thing I do is I'm going to cut the egg. And usually if for a snack, I like to just cut them in half. And then you can say, well, Ryan, there were 2 ingredients. What's the second one? You probably know where I'm going with this. It's similar to my all-time favorite breakfast, lox and eggs, the smoked salmon, which goes really well as a snack. Now, what I'll do is I'll buy a big package like this for about $20. These are bagel cuts, so they're easy to assemble. So then I will take these, open up the package, and then put them in a container, in a glass container, and then I have them all week that I could use for snacks. All right, so here's how the package looks. So what I'll do is I will just take a little slice here of the smoked salmon, and I put it on the egg. It's that simple. Like this is, if you don't have an opportunity to cook and you're just looking for something quick, put it right on the hard-boiled egg, and you get all that protein, and it fills you up. Snack, I have a couple of them. You get for breakfast, for lunch, even dinner. Man, that is so good. It's one of my favorite snacks. So now I promised you a snack and a tip that's going to add 7.5 years to your life. There was a study done by Becca Levy at Yale about longevity, and it showed that the number one factor to improving 7.5 good years of life is having a positive perception of aging, meaning you don't pull the Danny Glover, I'm too old for that stuff. And oh, I feel I'm too old and my back hurts. That is the worst thing you could do. You actually add more years onto your life being positive about aging than if you quit smoking or drinking. So what I've done, yes, I have a boombox here. One of my favorite ways to stay positive and make sure I'm moving in the right direction is I do a journal. I journal every day, and I created a new one based on an actual boombox, based on buttons, play, stop, pause. So this is a 1-page journal I just created for you, and it's free. So you could download this, you could print it. We pause, we rewind, we fast forward. I go through all the prompts, and all you do is every day print it out. This is perfect for people 50 and over. And we just journal, like pausing, stopping, and appreciate everything you have, writing down something or someone you're grateful for. We start the day with gratitude. So if you want this for free, just write the word 5, the number 5, or the word FIVE, because it's a 5-button reset. We're going to do this every day. We're going to feel good. Yes, we're going to feed ourselves with some lox and eggs and sardines. Obviously, I like seafood, but that's only part of it. The mental part is so important. I know I sound kind of preachy and annoying, but I really can't stress it enough. So if you want this, I want to give this to you. I was going to sell this as like one of these fancy $40 journals, but I really want to put this in your hands. Just write the word or the number 5 below, and I will send this to you for free, print it out, use it, and I cannot wait for you to start pressing the buttons. Let's add 7.5 good years onto our life. And now let's watch the next video.